Join me in making these delicious soft homemade tortillas that are super easy to make. All you're going to need are 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of Manteca, which I do use the Blue Tin brand, Morel. You're going to need 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of warm water, and 2 tablespoons of butter. So you want to begin by incorporating your ingredients and then just sort of bringing them all together and then amasando. At the very end, you want to go ahead and incorporate the manteca just all around and get that all combined there. And then you'll want to add in your water. Little by little, but honestly, you will need that full cup of water. And then you'll just want to basically knead and roll out the masa once everything has been incorporated. Now to melt my butter, I just set the 2 tablespoons of butter in the microwave for about 20 or so seconds. You'll just want to ensure that it's completely melted and then incorporate that into your masa. Continue to mix and bring that all together. You'll just knead for about the 5 minutes or so, and then you'll want to grip the masa and just squeeze out a ball, roll it up, and pat it down. Okay, once you're done rolling out each dough ball, you'll want to go ahead and cover with some cling wrap or a kitchen towel and allow to rest for a little bit. I set mine for around 30 minutes to rest while I did other things and then came back. Or if you need them right away, just continue in rolling out your dough balls. And the next step, you want to sprinkle some flour over your counter and then pat a little bit of flour on your dough, on your masa, and then go ahead and like roll it out one way and then turn it over and then go ahead and roll it out the other. And then I did that 4 times for each tortilla. And that is it. I'm not perfect at making my tortilla shape at all, but practice makes perfect. Eventually I'll get there, but I'm working with what I've got. So I did set my temperature on the stove to a high heat, and I do recommend you do that. But then you can either like roll out all of the tortillas and have them ready, or as I did, I would lay one of my tortillas on the comal while rolling out the next one. And go ahead and flip once you see that the tortilla is bubbling up. And that's all there is to it. Okay guys, so I'm all finished making my tortillas here. And so if you can see, it made quite a bit. They are soft and very manageable. Go ahead and eat these with beans and queso fresco, carne asada, butter, whatever you would like, but I'm sure everyone in your home will enjoy these. And all you need to make these is 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of your manteca, and I use the Moral brand, the blue tin. And then I used 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of hot water, and 2 tablespoons of butter to make these delicious tortillas. Be sure that when you're rolling them out to cover the ones that are still in balls while you are rolling these out and cooking them, so that way the rest don't dry out. But that was it for today's video, and I do thank you very much for watching today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.